This is the days of plastic, and not in our country but in the world. Plastic substances is used in all the life system. We use very generally plastic substances in our common life, but as you know, when the plastic substance is produced, different types of harmful chemicals are used to prepare them. These harmful chemicals can cause even cancer to the workers working in plastic industries. Next is rubber. Rubber is obtained from rubber plant. However, rubber likes neoprene, vinyl rubber, and poly are synthesized. Adhesives and lubricants, these are also substances which are made up of plastic substances. Raw materials are there some which are used to form plastic substances. The chemical raw materials needed for making synthetic polymers are obtained directly or indirectly from petroleum. So, plastic substances are directly or indirectly made by coal and petroleum. Petroleum product. This plastic is called petroleum product. Methane, CH4. This is a compound and name is methane gas. Next is acetylene, C2H2. This is acetylene gas, methane gas, and these gases contain carbon and hydrogen and used as fuel in industries to melt the substances. By fractional distillation of petroleum, we separate diesel, kerosene, petrol, and the remaining substance which is left as the waste substance is used to prepare synthetic materials. So, synthetic materials depend on the substance which is left after the fractional distillation of petroleum. Some important properties which is seen in synthetic material, those are tensile strength. Synthetic substances have a long life. The pulling stress required to break a material is called its tensile strength, and substances which are synthesized synthetic material have high tensile strength. Next, action of water. Plastics or other synthetic materials do not absorb water. So clothes made up of synthetic substances are uncomfortable to use, especially in summer, because when sweat come out of our body, these clothes can't absorb the sweat and stick in our body. Most synthetic polymers are heat sensitive. On being heated, they melt, and at higher temperatures they burn. Vegetable fibers are heat resistant. They do not melt. The substances which are obtained from plants and animals burn easily. They do not melt. But plastics or synthetic substances melt on burning and stick in the body. The thermal conductivity of a material gives us an idea of how easily the material conduct heat, that is, allows the passage of heat through it. Synthetic substances do not conduct heat. The electrical conductivity of a material tells us how easily the material allows the electric current to pass through it. Synthetic polymers are generally insulators, that is, electricity cannot pass through synthetic substances. So, plastic, rubber, all these are used in electric appliances to save the electric shock. Electricity does not pass through plastic substances. In this way, plastics are those substances which is used in a wide range, but plastic is harmful also. Plastic can cause different problems which is named as plastic pollution. Now the topics are polymer, monomer and fabric fibers. Natural fibers which you see, cotton clothes, silk clothes, woolen, these are obtained from nature, that is from plants or animals. These are although not so cheap but very useful in wearing. Now the questions are here. The questions you have to do yourself, and we have finished the lesson in short. In next class we will study the next chapter, metals and non-metals. Thank you. Here are some questions in your chapter in exercises. The first is, what is a polymer? You may write the answer. A polymer is made of small units called monomers. The monomers combine end to end under certain conditions to form a polymer. This answer you may get in points to remember. The next question is, what is the process of the formation of a polymer from its monomer called? The process of making polymer from its monomer is called polymerization. The third is, name three rams. Also this question was given in your assignment. Three rams are visco, cupro and acetate rams. 5 usage of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are used in making clothes, they are used in making ropes, they are used in making socks, curtains, bed sheets, and there are several uses. A number of uses you can explain as the use of synthetic fiber. What are plastics? Plastics are synthetic material that can be molded into a permanent shape. Plastic substances are molded to prepare different substances desired according to our utility. Polymers are added to make fabrics. For example, cotton is a polymer and cloth is made up of cotton is called fabrics. Tensile strength means the strength which is owned by the substances, they are strong. Some substances which attract water are called hydrophobic, some are repel water. These two words are written in this question. What are those materials called that attract water or repel water? Next, the answer you have to write in 40 words. Acrylics, this is given in your lesson about acrylics. Thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic difference. Thermoplastics are those plastics which can be made and molded into different shapes. But thermosetting plastics can't be melted and can't be remolded in new shape. Next is 100 words question which you have to write from your lesson, and the filling words are available in your lesson. The line is completely given and you will fill in the blanks, and also by looking the 4 options given in choosing, one option is correct and another 3 is incorrect. You have to tick the correct answer. Matching column A and column B. Cellulose, this is related to glucose. Nylon, this is used for making parachute. Acrylics, this is semi-synthetic fiber. Acetate and artificial wool, and polythene carry bags. You do these questions in your copy. Thank you.